Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload an HD off of Facebook. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. It's going to be simple, so just please bear with me on this one. So let's say you're trying to click a particular photo that you're going to be using as an upload to Facebook on the news feed. Let's just try to put it here. So let's say you're trying to upload it here. You know what, let's just go ahead and click the story so that it'll be a lot more simpler for you guys. Okay, the newsfeed has it as well, but on story it's a lot more simpler. It's easy to follow. So boom, here it is. You could upload this one and click on the settings here, and once you're on settings, just click on the one that has the AI option. Once it turns blue when you click it, let's just try to, here you go. Now it'll automatically turn it into HD once you upload it. Once you click share, and then boom, good to go. That's just basically it. So I certainly hope that this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.